Hello, beautiful people. It is another month on my channel, which means I'm doing another mixed media challenge. And the theme this month is going to be Dreamcore. So I'm going to do my Lightwish calendar for September, and I'm going to use a whole bunch of the materials in one of the recent Grabie subscription boxes. So I will drop a link to a video where I unboxed this particular box. And this month I just want to go with a bit of collage because there's so many really cool dreamy and surrealist artifacts in that kit that yeah, I just want to play with those today. I had some light magenta golden acrylic paint left over, so I just spritzed it with water and just plopped this card in and peeled it off, and that gave me just a nice pink wash, a pink splashy wash. So now I'm going to take these items and I'm basically just going to do some collaging with it. Okay, so I think I have an idea of where I want to put everything, and I found this sticker from, if you've ever bought anything from Mr. Pen off Amazon, they usually throw in a little mustache sticker, and I thought that's definitely adding to the whole Salvador Dali surrealist dream kind of look to this. Before I stick any of these things down though, the background is still not looking quite complete. But I have these, I've not even used these, can you believe this? I have these Spectrum Noir shimmer ink pads. So these are supposed to be pearlescent. Now I've taken a picture of my layout already so that when I'm trying to reassemble this afterwards, so that's a great tip. Once you finish playing with all of your things and all of your pieces, you can use your photo to reassemble everything how you liked it. Okay, well, that's definitely looking weird and wacky. And then I wonder if, since I have this pearl white jacquard product, whether I can just look at that. Look at the way that pearlescent stuff dries down. Super, super pearly. Okay, well, that is definitely giving me Dreamcore. It's a hot mess of just weird vomit all over it, and I love it. Okay, so I mean, it was a nice little warm-up exercise. I like this kind of sweeping cluster going around like that. It's kind of made me ready. This has warmed me up, ready to go do some actual art now because it was just a nice creative playtime for me. Well, I hope that was interesting. And yes, come and join me back soon. Take a look at the other things that I do. I do real art as well, and lots of nice, fun mixed media stuff and product reviews and various different technique videos. So come and hang out with me again soon and let me know if you've been doing your Lightwish calendar this month.